Good morning, everybody, and welcome back to the channel. It is a fantastic morning. All right. Gold is going insane in a good way. In a good way. Gold and silver are looking good. I told you this time would come. Then I told you we made the right calls. Last year, I said I believe gold could hit $2,100. A couple months ago, I reiterated I thought gold could hit $2,100. What did it do? Let's find out. I'm telling you, man, good times. I know you Bitcoin people are having fun too. You're having fun as well. I know. Good times all across the board right now. It says the price of gold has surged to an all-time high. Not financial advice, by the way. None of this video is financial advice. Boosted by a fall in the US dollar. Oh, it's been looking weak. I love it when the US dollar is weak because then everything else can play. And then we're making the monies. Muy linda, mi gente. It says, as traders ratchet up their bets that the Federal Reserve will cut interest rates next year, the haven asset rallied but as much as 3% to 2,000. Get this. We got another winner. Another good call. $2,135 per troy ounce. Give me that money. Well, I've been sitting on a lot of gold for a long time. From super low. Oh, I love gold. I really do. And let me tell you something. This happened without the collapse of all those banks that are swaying in the wind, looking woozy like they just had a bottle of vodka. Without that happening, gold hit this. Can you even imagine when those banks go down, how much gold is going to be? I'm a little excited. I only speak for myself, of course, but I share my excitement here. $2,135 per troy ounce. Of course, there has been a pullback. People took profit. This is what's going to happen. A little pullback. It says on Monday, a new record before slipping to $2,066 per troy ounce, according to LSEG data. I wonder, I didn't look at the charts for palladium. I wonder where palladium is right now. Just off the top of my head, because I saw palladium was down. I was shocked. Maybe this is about a day or two ago. Palladium was down. I couldn't believe my eyes. Palladium was down to almost platinum prices. What? Whoa. Anyway, I need to check on that. But it says here, the latest rise has been driven by 3.1% fall in the dollar against a basket of 6 other currencies since the start of November, which has left it slightly above its lowest level in nearly 4 months. The fall, alongside a drop in U.S. Treasury yields since mid-October, has come as investors have grown more confident that the Fed will lower borrowing costs early next year. Gold's gains are the latest leg. Yeah, we had a lot of legs up. The latest leg in a powerful rally that began in November last year. Driven by they're saying what I've been telling you. Driven by rampant central bank purchasing. Now, listen. I'm celebrating. I'm having a great time. Things are looking great. But one has to also question, why are they purchasing record amounts of gold at those central banks? I keep saying it. I'm going to keep saying it. Why is the big money buying record amounts of gold? There's a reason. It's a protective asset. What are they protecting themselves from? Hey, you make up your own mind about that, because something is coming for sure. But right now, I'm just having a good time. It says, and investor concerns over the conflicts in various regions, of course. Okay, so look, let me get off of gold for a minute, because we definitely have to look at silver. I like to know my silver is doing well. I like to know the future is doing well. I love silver as well. You should already know that. Let's go to a little bit of silver news. How you all doing out there this morning? You doing good? Did you eat your... Oh, Alphanim, why do you talk to us like you're an uncle or something like that? Like I talk like I care. Did you eat your breakfast? Did you take your vitamins? Did you drink some good water? Hey, you got to stay healthy. I promote health here. Mental health, physical health of all kinds. Be healthy. Just not advice. I'm just saying, word to the wise. Let's go to some silver news here. Oh, yeah. We don't get too many great mornings like this, so, you got to maximize it. This is from Invest Invez.com. What a strange name for a website, but it's titled Silver Eyes retesting the $26.12 6-month high. Yes, yes, yes. Oh yeah, you know I like it. You know I like it. Oh man. I also have to check on what my platinum is doing. I don't know what platinum is doing right now either. I hone in on certain things at certain times, right? But I hope platinum is going to pop off like gold and silver have been doing as well. Then things will be super good as far as I'm concerned. It says here, wait. Let me scroll down. Silver made significant gains and recovered 9.7% in the last 2 weeks. The price closed above the $25 mark. I did see that. $25 mark and $25.27 resistance areas, and will possibly come on silver. Let's go. And will possibly reach $26.12, a 6-month high in the coming days. Now, don't get me wrong. Silver is massively suppressed, and I'm seeing some very bullish predictions on silver's future price, but this is what we have to work with right now. And right now, we're looking pretty good. After months and months of consolidation, around $22, $23 is looking pretty good. You know, and a lot of people, silver's getting very popular as a store value alternative, more affordable alternative to gold. I love both. And both of them are great at protecting value. In my humble opinion, buy it a little low, and then it goes up a little bit, make a little bit of gains, and it protects your capital. It says here, I am expecting the price will make a small correction and will retrace to the $24.96 support level before heading for new highs. I would wait for the price to drop to $24.96 support level before entering a long trade. All right, sounds reasonable in my humble opinion. Sounds possible and feasible. Says the price is expected to make new highs in the coming weeks as the inverted H&S pattern has also appeared on the daily time frame, which indicates the continuation of the bullish trend. By the way, if you enjoy these earlier videos, I'm going to do my best. It's hard for me to squeeze in videos during the day, but I'll pre-record them and then I'll try to release them in the morning from time to time. If you like these, click that like button. I would greatly appreciate that. That lets me know to try my best to continue with these morning videos. Okay. It says here, silver fundamental analysis that we don't need. I want to get on to another little piece of news before we leave out here in the morning video. Let's go to Algorand, because Algorand has a lot of news that I didn't get to cover last week, and it is very substantial. I love what they're doing. I hope they continue to do well, and I remain super bullish on Algorand. This article here is from coincodex.com, and it's titled Algorand partners with United Nations Development Program to educate UN employees on blockchain. Do we really believe that's where everything is going to end? Come on now, what are they educating them on, right? What's the technology? Of course, Algorand is there to promote Algorand. They've been doing a massively great job. So Algorand is saying, hey, Stellar, slide over a little bit, buddy. Just a little bit. Just give us a little bit of room. We're coming into the UN as well. We know, Stellar, we know you work with the United Nations, right? But we're also beloved by the World Economic Forum, just like you are. We're coming in and we're going to take a little bit of that United Nations power, right? So Algorand is in there. They're in there shaking hands with United Nations. We'll see where this all goes. I'm sure it's going to expand from here. They're a very beloved bank coin by powers all over the world, right? They're on that World Economic Forum list. Hey, say what you want. I know there's a lot of grim things around the World Economic Forum that people believe. But that is, they have a lot of power, right? And there's a lot of access there. I don't know how more eloquently to put that, right? We're here to make money. Let's make money off these things if we can, not financial advice. And then I move on from there, right? So it says here, the United Nations Development Program is taking a bold step. This is super bullish for Algorand toward the future by launching the Algorand Blockchain Academy. Imagine what this is going to bring to the table. It says here, this ambitious education program will teach over 22,000 United Nations employees across 170 countries how emerging blockchain technologies can help achieve global development goals. Of course, Algorand is going to be at the forefront of that, as is being taught by Algorand. And what technology do they know better? And what are they using? a federated Byzantine structure. Is that what Algorand uses, or is that another bank coin? But they know that best, and that's what they're going to promote. So these 22,000 UN employees are going to come out knowing about Algorand and wanting to use it, possibly. No guarantees, possibly. Says they'll cover topics like using blockchain to expand financial access, boost supply chain transparency, enable new ownership models, and build secure digital identities. Doro Ungerly notes this training represents a critical first step, quote unquote, in applying real solutions to the UN sustainability targets. So Algorand continues to shine. I'm looking forward to them doing big things in the next true bull run. You know, we'll see how far things get right now. Things are looking very good. Bitcoin is popping off. Gold, you know, on the other side, commodity side, gold and silver doing wonderful, in my humble opinion. I can't wait till the next true bull run. It's going to be a very fun time. But this is a good morning. All right. So now that you have that information, what are you going to do with it? I hope you're having a fantastic morning or afternoon whenever you watch this. I hope you're doing well in your day. I hope you're healthy. I hope if you own a business, your business is doing well. I hope if you're at a job, everything's going good at your job. All right. So Mick hopes the best for you. And I will be back in the evening with the regular crypto video where we're going to cover probably a little bit of XRP. If there's any XLM information, XLM, Solana, Chainlink, you know, the usual suspects. We're going to bring you the best of the best as I always try to do. So now that you have that information, what are you going to do with it? I know what I'm going to do with it. I'm about to go look at those gold charts, gold charts and silver charts again. I'm going to find out what's going on with palladium, because I've wanted some for a while. I have no palladium, none, zero. I'm going to find out what's going on with my platinum. And until next time, let's get to the money.